I leave this nigga Bird alone. I jump to that nigga on the phone. I call him up, tell him link me up. He said, baby, you wanna go in the bowl? I skin it to win it. He didn't even realize what I was doing. Trip you out, 1 juke, 2 jukes, a bongi squeeze. Now you're freak fucking out. Woo, nigga. It's me again.
Carwash, you need to stop. You making rap on me? I remember when bitches didn't even want you to sleep on the couch. I move you in from the street and let you sleep in my house. Fuck around, roll you over, big bulldozer. Don't fuck around, wouldn't be around. Hear the words that coming out my mouth, I pull a bone out your motherfucking throat, bitch.